and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Supreme Court allows 63 more iron ore mines to resume operations in Karnataka. Court cancels leases of all illegal mines. Green Bench accepts major recommendations by CEC. Soaring prices of vegetables, fruits in markets following transporters' opposition to entry tax. Price rise hits wholesalers, retailers and consumers. Davlikar says no need to panic. Governor refers Lokayukta bill back to Assembly for reconsideration, deemed rejection and huge fines clauses to be amended. CM says amendments in current session. Government to scrutinize Gadgil's report and give its opinion. Western Ghats stretch in Goa could be in the list of UNESCO's natural heritage sites, says Alina. And government proposes closure of Chogle Higher Secondary, says society receives government grants, files affidavit before High Court, matter to come up for hearing on 25th April. And now the news in detail. The Supreme Court has allowed 9 more iron ore mines to resume production in Karnataka. The court, however, cancelled mining leases for all illegal mines in Karnataka. Interestingly, the Green Bench has accepted a number of the recommendations made by the Central Empowered Committee. Leases for iron ore extraction in 49 Category C mines have been cancelled following CEC's report. Watch this report.
The ruling is the latest step back from a total ban on mining in Karnataka that was put in force in 2011 because of environmental concerns. In September, the Supreme Court allowed 18 mines in Karnataka to resume operations. The court cancelled mining leases for all illegal mines in Karnataka. Leases for iron ore extraction in 49 illegal mines have been cancelled. The Supreme Court Forest Bench headed by Justice Aftab Alam ordered mining leases for all illegal mines cancelled. Leases for iron ore extraction in 49 illegal mines cancelled. Iron ore exports from Karnataka will remain on hold for now. The Green Bench has accepted a number of recommendations of the court-appointed Central Empowered Committee. The CEC divided mines in the area in 3 categories A, B and C depending on the extent of mining. CEC's recommendations accepted. CEC's number of recommendations accepted. CEC divided mines in the area in 3 categories. Categories A, B and C depending on the extent of mining. Leases in respect of Category C mines cancelled. Proceeds of sales of iron ore from C category mines made through monitoring committee will stand forfeited to the state. Grant of fresh mining leases be dealt with in accordance with law. The judgment, however, has raised hopes for resuming legal mining in Goa, provided government puts systems for checks and balances in place as fast as possible. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The rates of fruits and vegetables in the Goan markets are soaring high following transporters' stiff opposition to the newly introduced entry tax. Though the essential goods across the state are reaching the Goan markets, markets are witnessing a significant price hike. Transporters, wholesalers and retailers are in price rise chain. However, Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar says Goans need not panic as commodity inflow is as usual. Here's a report.
The retail vegetable vendors and the consumers are facing entry tax of dispute. Prices of essential commodities like vegetable and fruits have been inflated. Vendors say the transporters demand extra money for goods transportation. The vendors are anxious as the customers have cut down purchases due to sudden rise.
ते टॅक्सीक लागून टॅक्स असताना टॅक्साक लागून खूप महाग झाला आता भाजी कोणूच येना गिरायकूच येना फुडें फाटी गिरायकूच येना आता सगळे गव्हर्नमेंटान धांवता गव्हर्मेंटान सगळे हे असता न्हू सवाय असतात तेंकां ते गव्हर्मेंटाचे दुकानां असतात तेंकां ते बरे ते आनी आमकां प्रायवेट आल्याक हांगा मरपाचें बेश्टें असले कामां जाला आतां
लोक म्हारग म्हणून चडशे व्हरिना 1 डझन व्हरता ते अर्धा डझन व्हरता कमीच घेवन वयता पूण ते म्हारग आहा न्ही ते खातीर.
However, Sudhin Dhawadekar says there is no need to panic. Commodity inflow is as usual.
5 टँकर मोलेच्यान मिल्क टँकर आयले 25 व्हेकल वेजिटेबल आयली 25 व्हेकल एग्स 2 व्हेकल पोळेच्यान आयली पॅक्ड मिल्क एक आयले पोळेच्यान व्हेकल एग्स 2 आयली आनी कितें सगळें नॉर्मला पेक्षा 2 चडूच आयले भाजयेच्यो ट्रक. म्हाका तरी कांय ना कोणीच पॅनीक जावचें न्हय आमचें सुरळीत चल्लां आनी हें सुरळीत मुखार चलत रावतलें.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe and Devendra Gaonkar.
Goa Governor has referred the Lokayukta bill back to the Assembly. Governor has asked the government to reconsider clauses of deemed rejection and huge fine for false complaint. Speaker informed this to the Assembly on Thursday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that specific clauses in the Lokayukta bill will be amended during ongoing Assembly session. All eyes are now set on these fresh amendments.
Goa witnessed a hue and cry on the controversial amendments in the Lokayukta bill. The activists protest against the toothless clauses of deemed rejection and huge fine for a false complaint. Many had petitioned the governor seeking his intervention and not to give assent to the bill. Governor has now referred the Lokayukta bill again to the Assembly. Governor has asked the government to reconsider the 2 controversial clauses in the amended Lokayukta bill.
गोवा लोकायुक्त पहिली दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2013 हे विधेयक मान्य राज्यपालांनी सभागृहाच्या पुनर्विचारा खातीर परत धाडला. I request the August House to reconsider the Goa Lokayukta First Amendment Bill 2013, Bill number 3 of 2013.
Manohar Parrikar has assured to reconsider the amended Lokayukta bill and said amendments would be moved during the ongoing Assembly session.
Because ह्या हाजेर already notice draft केल्ली आसा for my amendment in the this and we will be sending it to the secretary. This session we will modify the.
CM had assured during the Prudent debate that amendments would be done in the controversial clauses. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party has also submitted a draft bill of Uttarakhand Lokayukta to the CM. All eyes are now set on the fresh amendments. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.